today's boat tip of the day is
The importance of having all of your lights working properly at night.
so that people can see you.
Red signals the port side, and green signals starboard.
Yeah, definitely great tips. So as she stated there, you've got your two navigational lights on the front there. Red is going to be on the port side, which also was a nice tip there if you're always forgetting which side is port side. Port has 4 letters. Also left has 4 letters. And then your right side is your green. Then at the end, she did mention the mast light, better known as the anchor light. That's a white light on the back. And the biggest thing about that is make sure that that white light is at the highest point on your boat. That's what the Coast Guard regulations require.